Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the creation of a new city in Jamaica. Draxall St. Anne is rapidly emerging as one of Jamaica's most exciting growth corridors, with many observers describing the area as a new city in the making. Once known primarily for its residential communities and proximity to Ocho Rios, Draxall is now experiencing significant development that is transforming the landscape and creating new opportunities for residents, businesses, and investors. At the heart of this transformation is a steady expansion of housing, commercial facilities, and supporting infrastructure. New residential communities continue to attract Jamaicans seeking modern homes along the north coast, while businesses are increasingly recognizing the area's potential as a major commercial hub. A major contributor to this growth is the ongoing construction activity taking place throughout the area. Projects such as the second phase of the Boot development, often referred to as Boot 2 construction, highlights the confidence that developers have in the future of Draxall. The Boot 2 commercial complex is one of the most significant private sector developments currently under construction in Draxall St. Anne, and that's the development we're looking at in the video. Valued at approximately 1.5 billion, the project is expected to become a major commercial hub for residents, businesses, and visitors along Jamaica's rapidly expanding north coast. The development is being undertaken by the Boot Group of companies and will consist of a modern four-structure commercial complex spanning nearly 69,000 square feet. When completed, Boot 2 will feature a supermarket, a Wendy's restaurant, cinemas, fine dining establishments, professional offices, retail stores, underground parking, and other commercial services designed to create a one-stop destination for the growing Draxall community. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.